How to set up an online store in Squarespace. So when you have an online store, it will actually automatically be added into your Squarespace right here. So what we can do is you can just hover to these pages. And as you can see, we have our store right here. So if you want, you can just continue with your store setup. We have in here the first product. Click on the skip going right here, and then you can add some more products. For this one, you can add a way to get paid. So click on that right there. Then it will redirect you to this one. It will prompt you to connect your Stripe or your PayPal. So just head over and then just connect which of these two. Now, once you have connected that, you can head over and then click on this again, and then you can choose your fulfillment or your provider for this one. On your selling, you can see this pickup point, and you can also add in here a shipping point. You can choose in here some shipping label extensions, and then they will actually take care of it for you. You can also set up pickup options and local delivery options, as well as other fulfillment profiles. Now, from in there, you can also head over and then choose in here a subscription plan or publish and then start selling. So once you're done with all of this, you can publish your website in order to accept some orders. So that's how you set up an online store in Squarespace. Hope you helped.